how much money I made and कैसे किया वो मैं बताऊंगा, but it's more about how you can do the same. I'll be talking about streams that are there but you guys might not know about, and which actually give good amount of money for a college student. And बिफोर दैट मनी के लिए तुम्हें दो चीज़ें चाहिए होती है. फर्स्ट यू नीड टू बिल्ड ट्रस्ट, सेकेंड यू नीड टू हैव एड वैल्यू टू समवंस लाइफ. एंड इफ यू आर डूइंग बोथ द थिंग्स देन मनी इज अ बाय प्रोडक्ट. ओके, अब ट्रस्ट के लिए यू हैव टू हैव अ पर्सनल ब्रांड, यू शुड हैव अ पोर्टफोलियो और समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो that is like trust for the trust part, and like there are other things too. Addition is a broad field. If you talk about on a personal level, then you should have certain skills which would help a company or an organization or a person in general, and he would in turn exchange your, like he would in turn pay for you, or you can actually build a product, a website, a digital product or a physical product which actually helps someone else's life. So he will buy a product in exchange for money. So yeah, value addition is also a big topic to talk about. But these are two essential things. You should have trust, you should be trustworthy, and you should add value. I won't be including the money I made through stock markets and investments, and I won't include the money that I made through YouTube. I think उस time तक तो कुछ था भी नहीं, zero था. And also through my acting and my modeling project. So these are three things. I won't be including the money that I made through that. So go light. And yeah, let's get started. Best way for a student to make money or to actually get supported by financially is through scholarship. Now if you are a JE student, then you have NTSC or and KVPY, which provide scholarships, and there are other scholarship schemes by the government of India and stuff like that. There are certain Olympiads जिसके through scholarships मिलती रहती है. So these are some great ways for scholarships. Other than that, if you are a college student, I would switch over to my laptop and I'll talk about the scholarships which you can avail.
Yeah. So guys, एक वेबसाइट है buddyforstudy.com. इस पे काफी अच्छा आर्टिकल है, तो ये मुझे मिला था, and I'll link it in the description. So they have categorized scholarships in the based of on the basis of merit based, means based, as you can see, sports, talent based, women, overseas studies. So you can actually visit this and you can actually see इतनी सारी, हर एक में around 25 30 इन्होंने बताई हैं scholarships जो available है, जो आप अवेल कर सकते हो, which is really great. So you can see कहाँ belong करते हो. This can be a great support measure too. So yeah, I'll link this in the description.
I make 24,000 rupees every year through the NTSC scholarship. So in my first year, I got the scholarship for the first year. So 24,000 bucks. So that is a pretty huge amount, right? In your first year, like. So the second one is actually a great source of income. So as I talked about earlier, if you want to bring value to someone else's life, you need to solve a problem that they have, right? And that's essentially what me and Curious Harish did. We started something called Bitsat Bit by Bit, and we started making Bitsat papers. We posted, we basically uploaded them on a SaaS platform which is called known as InstaMojo, in which you can create your online store. So yeah, Curious Harish and I actually spent some 4 or 5 months building it, and yeah, it was a nice. I won't call it startup because like ऐसे कुछ growth का हमने सोचा नहीं था, but it was just a nice problem solving initiative by both of us, and we had some volunteers and we did that, and we actually, to my surprise, made around 30,000 bucks like towards the end. So 30,000 each, so was around 60,000 bucks worth of paper we bits and papers we actually sold. So we used to have some I think 8 9 WhatsApp groups, each of 250 students, and yeah, it was pretty fun. It was actually amazing. And like we used to mentor them. We used to and it was genuine. Like ऐसा नहीं था कि तुम्हें पे करना पड़ेगा उस ग्रुप में रहने के लिए, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. It was pretty genuine. Whoever wanted bitsat papers like of any kind, like 11 specific, 12 specific, chapter wise सब बनाए थे. So yeah, it was a nice business. If you are seeing a problem that is worth solvable and you have the capabilities of solving that, just go for it. Just go for it. Don't look like, just don't think about the outcomes and लोग क्या कहेंगे वाला factor सबको हटाओ. Because to be honest, bitsat papers बना रहा भी, like it's not, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ना कि ऐसा कुछ respectable काम कर रहा हूँ मैं, लोग oh shit तूने ये बनाया, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मतलब बेसिक सही था, but it actually solved a problem, and मतलब ठीक है, अच्छे पैसे भी मिल गए, मतलब और खुद के बेसिस पे खुद के कमाए किए थे वो, तो ऐसा था कि काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा था. बिकॉज हाँ, इतना एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कभी. थर्ड वन बीइंग फ्रीलांसिंग. Now freelancing is one of the most common ways of making money in college. Learn a skill, learn a course from Udemy or Coursera or बहुत सारी वेबसाइट्स हैं. Just learn a skill, learn a monetizable skill. If you want to check out the skills that you can learn, just type fiverr.com or any other free upwork.com. उसमें nav bar में जो भी drop down menus में आएंगे, those are skills which you can learn, and people are actually paying for all those skills. So you can learn anything. Photoshop, video editing, web development, app development, thumbnail creation, intro videos creation, बहुत सारी चीज़ें. So you can actually learn any of that skill and yeah, monetize it. अब उस टाइम पे तो यार फर्स्ट ईयर सेकेंड सेमेस्टर की बात है, when I got the free time. So I used to code bots. So I coded a Twitter bot, Instagram bot, and actually sold them off. Then my it was mainly code, very simple landing page for a startup, and I sold it for that. And I think the money that I made was around 4,000 to 5,000 rupees. So अब तक अगर आप ऐड करो सब, so 30,000 from Bitside, 24,000 from NTSE, and around 5,000 from freelancing. So 59,000. Now lastly, so competitions become least significant part of the wealth that I generated over first year, but it's a nice opportunity if you're great at something. So if you are best at designing, if you are pretty confident about your skill, be it a designer, be it a video editor, or a machine learning engineer, or competitive coder, then you can actually participate in specific competitions. For example, if you are into machine learning, you can participate in Kaggle competitions, and if you win, it's a pretty large sum of money that they give it to you. Competitive coding के भी होते हैं, designing के भी होते हैं competitions, and there's a really great platform that I would like to talk about, that is Dare to Compete, D2C. D2C is kind of one of the largest competition hosting platforms in which you get information about anything and everything that is coming around, and you can actually participate in those competitions and by registering on their website. And बस register एक बटन होता है, उसमें बस registration कर दो, सारे competition register हो जाओगे सब. So there are competitions about business creation, consulting, coding, बहुत like hackathons हो रही होती हैं. Then there are competitions about designing and stuff like that. Basically every college of India who has all these fests, तो उसमें जो भी events होते हैं, competitions होते हैं, उसका सारा का information D2C पे आ जाता है, and you can actually participate and win every competition as a cash prize. हमारे college का ये एक club है, E-Cell, which is the entrepreneurship cell, उसका एक competition था. I think I made around $500 from that, and एक दो competition थे article writing छोटे छोटे, because I didn't have a really great skill which जिसमें बहुत सारे मैं तो जीत जाऊँगा ये competition में participate करके. Obviously I tried, I participated, but कुछ खास हुआ नहीं था. I think I won one article writing competition, थर्ड आया था. उसमें भी ऐसे ही कुछ हुए थे ₹500 के आसपास. So yeah, around ₹1,000. So that essentially is how I made $60,000. So if you like my video, then like my video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So आज Wednesday था, hence I released a college related video, and I hope you liked it. So yeah, subscribe to my channel. Sunday एक बहुत अच्छी guest आ रही है हमारे channel पे. So yeah, stay tuned for that.